Here at the Red Wings, our job is to entertain fans, make it feel like it was worth their time and worth their money every time they come to Frontier Field. Having those scoreboards operational, having the lights operational, inside the ballpark, in the VIP lot, outside the ballpark, everywhere. It's really essential, and to have a partner like Billitier Electric making sure that the lights stay on here is very important. I think Billitier makes my job easier as a general manager because every time I call them, they're there for me. I think the communication and the transparency of the communication between Billitier Electric and the Red Wings is one of the things I really cherish and value. When they come over to do a job, they will always check in with me in the middle of the job. They'll just give me a buzz or say, hey, can you meet me out at the scoreboard, or can you meet me at the Poppin' Hots concession stand? I just want to go over what we're doing. Rochester Community Baseball is our formal name. It's, community is our middle name, and it's extremely important for us to partner with other companies in the Rochester area to give back. That's one way that we can give back to companies in our community, and we enjoy working with partners that are in town. And obviously Billitier has been around for over 50 years. We've been around for well over 100 years. And so I think we have those same ideals and values when it comes to community. I think there's a tremendous amount of trust that we have in Billitier Electric to get the job done well, to get the job done right, get the job done on time, and to leave our operation better than where they found it when they got here that day. I think Billitier's tagline, Powered by Confidence, is the perfect tagline for that company, because I know when my phone rings from one of my staff and they say, hey, we're having an issue with power in this concession stand, or power in the scoreboard, or this outlet isn't working, or what have you, my immediate response is call Billitier. And that's just, and that's from years of great service for the Rochester Red Wings, and tremendous trust over the years that they've built. And so my confidence is as high in that vendor, in Billitier Electric, as it is with any of our vendors that we work with. And we work with a lot of vendors, but my immediate response anytime I know we have some kind of issue is, let's call Billitier. Here at the Rochester Red Wings, we know that Billitier is powered by confidence.